What is the national bird of the United States? A. Bald eagle. In which city is the Statue of Liberty located? A. New York City. Which founding document of the United States begins with the words, "We the people"? C. Constitution. Which U.S. president is known for delivering the Gettysburg Address during the Civil War? A. Abraham Lincoln. What is the capital of the United States? C. Washington, D.C. Which year did the United States declare its independence from Great Britain? A. 1776. Who was the first president of the United States? B. George Washington. What is the national tree of the United States? B. Oak. Which U.S. holiday is celebrated on July 4th? A. Independence Day.